Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Vritual Versions token. Now this token is just wrapping up their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They've already passed their soft cap and there's still like 14 hours left of this pre-sale as of recording this video. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Now let's get into this token here, the Vritual Versions token. So it says, welcome to Vritual Versions. We offer tools to restore digital ownership on a mass scale using our flagship product, VV Social. The social app that pairs individuals with a virtual version of themselves to create the first human-backed avatar. Ecosystem includes SBTs, NFTs, Mverse app, interoperable wallets and ID, KYC audited docs, 8-figure exited founders, AMAs, calls, strikes, press confirmed, and central exchange and decentral exchange listings after launch. So they do have a full audit on PinkSale here. It says they were audited by Certic. They have a soft cap for this pre-sale was 50 BNB. They've already passed that, so it's already a successful pre-sale. 87 BNB as of recording this video has already been sold. There's only 14 hours left, so by the time I upload this video, there'll only be a few hours left to catch this pre-sale. They might even sell out because hard cap is 200 BNB, so they could even sell out by the time I upload this video because they're trying. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.